Hi everyone, I'm Nick with TBP. Let me introduce you to Protectapeel, a game-changing sprayable protective coating designed to safeguard your surfaces on the toughest jobs. It's versatile, easy to apply, and provides exceptional protection against welding slag, sparks, errant tools, acid washes, and much more. Today I'll show you how to apply Protectapeel step by step to get the most out of its protective capabilities. Whether you roll it or spray it on, Protectapeel is designed to be easy to use and highly effective. For spraying, we recommend using a Graco paint gun, which you can easily find at retailers like Lowe's or Home Depot. Before you start spraying, it's important to mask off any areas where you don't want Protectapeel to go. Most users mask off anything above 6 feet on their unit, since most damage typically happens below that height. Masking will prevent overspray and make the removal process smoother. Another great thing about Protectapeel is that you don't have to clean off your surfaces before application. Dust, dirt, and small pieces of debris can all stay, as they will peel off with the material after it is cured, leaving your surfaces cleaner than when you first applied the material. Next, let's set up your spray gun. It's simple. Just place the main hose into your pail of Protectapeel. Next, position the waste hose above the same pail or lead it into another pail. Either way, the goal is wasting the least amount of material possible. Now let's apply Protectapeel. For the best results, use a 5/17 spray tip. This tip allows you to spray more material with fewer passes, saving you time and effort. When spraying, hold the gun 6 to 12 inches away from the surface to minimize overspray. Start with horizontal passes, then switch to vertical passes. This makes sure that every part of your surface is covered, making for an even coating of material. Apply 2 to 3 coats and use a wet film gauge to measure thickness. You're aiming for a thickness of 250 microns or 10 mils. Pay special attention to corners and caulk joints, applying a little extra in these areas to ensure easier removal. Once Protectapeel cures, your surfaces will be shielded from damage and UV exposure for up to 24 months. With Protectapeel, you can focus on your work without worrying about costly repairs or cleaning. Protectapeel is also easy to remove. Just pick a corner and slowly pull the material off of your surface. Finally, let's talk about taking care of your spray gun. To keep your equipment in top condition, purge the gun after each use. Simply run water through the system to flush out any Protectapeel before long breaks or overnight storage. This prevents the material from curing inside the gun and keeps it ready for your next job. Protectapeel is your ultimate partner for keeping surfaces protected, and by following these steps, you'll ensure flawless application every time. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out at 800-850-3338 or by sending us an email at sales@tbpconverting.com. Our team is here to help you every step of the way. Thanks for tuning in and happy spraying.
This video is for demonstration purposes only. Please contact your sales representative for more information.